Hello, good morning, student of Standard 9. How are you, all of you? Fine? Just take care of corona, right? अभी ये हिंदी मीडियम स्टैंडर्ड 9 का यूनिट 2 का डेंटल हेल्थ वर्कबुक की जो एक्सरसाइज होती है वो मैं ले रहा हूँ। आप ये ज़रूर आपकी नोट में नोट करना, और इसमें से एग्ज़ाम में आ भी सकते हैं, तो थोड़ा अच्छी तरह से उसको लिख कर तैयार रखना। होमवर्क में भी यही करना है आपको, बराबर। यूनिट नंबर 2, डेंटल हेल्थ। डेंटल हेल्थ के अंदर यहाँ आपको पैराग्राफ दिए हैं, और पैराग्राफ को ठीक से पढ़ना, और उसके आंसर क्वेश्चन देते हैं, उसमें आंसर लिखने का होता है। यहाँ मैंने उसके आंसर भी लिखे हैं, तो आपकी नोट में ये सब नोट करना, ओके। फर्स्ट, सोनिया हैड ए सिवियर टूथेज. She could neither eat anything nor could she go to school. Studying at home was also impossible due to pain. She was not able to sleep also. अभी ये जो पैराग्राफ है, सोनिया कहती है माँ इट्स अनबेरेबल, उसको दर्द होता होगा, बराबर, दांत के अंदर। We must visit a dentist, said her uncle. उसके अंकल थे अशोक भाई, उन्होंने क्या कहा कि हमें डेंटिस्ट के यहाँ जाना पड़ेगा। इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर है, हाउ डिड सोनिया सफ़र बिकॉज ऑफ टूथेज? तो सोनिया कुड नॉट ईट और स्लीप. शी कुड नाइदर गो टू स्कूल नॉर स्टडी एट होम. Question number 2. What did Sonia's uncle say? Sonia's uncle said that they must visit a dentist. अभी पैराग्राफ नंबर 2. The same evening they were at the dental care clinic of Dr. Sharma. Dr. Bansi Sharma is a young and competent doctor. Dr. Sharma, hello young lady, what's the matter with you? Sonia, with difficulty, doctor, I have a terrible toothache. क्या कहती है? उसको दर्द होता है ना, वो बोलती है कि मुझे बहुत ही दर्द हो रहा है. डॉक्टर शर्मा, आई कैन सी, लेट मी चेक, मुझे चेक करने दो. Sit in the chair, please. Sonia sits on the dentist's chair. The doctor switches on the headlight. डॉक्टर उसकी लाइट चालू करते हैं जो दांत के अंदर देखने की होती है, बराबर. Where did Sonia go to the evening? In the evening, Sonia went to the dental clinic of Dr. Bansi Sharma. What kind of a doctor was Dr. Sharma? Dr. Sharma was a young and competent doctor. हर एक पैराग्राफ में 2 या 3 कभी 4 भी क्वेश्चन आंसर निकलते हैं, वो यहाँ पूछे, उसके आंसर भी साथ में दिए. नंबर 3, सोनिया ओपनिंग हर माउथ अ लिटल बिट स्लोली. Sorry doctor, I can't open my mouth any wider than this. डॉक्टर, मैं इससे ज़्यादा मेरा मुंह खोल नहीं सकती हूँ, ऐसा उसने कहा. डॉक्टर शर्मा, that's okay, moving the mouth mirror and the probe in Sonia's mouth. I see a black spot on one of your premolar. There seems to be a कैविटी देयर. मैं आपका एक प्रीमोलार, एक प्रकार है दांत का, वो देख रहा हूँ, उसके अंदर शायद दांत के अंदर खड्डा होगा. दांत में खड्डे क्यों हो जाते हैं मालूम है क्या? ब्रश करते नहीं हो सुबह में उठ के। ठीक से ब्रश करना सीखो। इसमें ये लेसन में बताया है कैसे ब्रश करना चाहिए, कैसे गम को मालिश करनी चाहिए, सब ध्यान देना। ओके, तो उसमें क्वेश्चन निकलते हैं। 1. विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिड द डॉक्टर यूज टू चेक सोनियाज टीथ? सोनिया का दांत चेक करने के लिए डॉक्टर ने कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ किया है? तो आंसर है द डॉक्टर यूज ए माउथ मिरर एंड अ प्रोब टू चेक सोनियाज माउथ। Question 2. What did the doctor see? The doctor saw a cavity in a premolar. Ashok bhai, start lead. A cavity? Dr. Sharma, yes, a cavity and quite a big one. I am prescribing some medicine today. The pain will subside by tomorrow. Then only the further treatment is possible. Can you come back tomorrow? Ashok bhai, I will be out of station tomorrow. Dr. Sharma, well Sonia, can you come alone? She is a brave girl. Question 1. Why did the doctor give medicine to Sonia? The doctor gave medicines to Sonia so that the pain could subside and she could give her further treatment the next day. Question number 2. Why could Sonia come alone? Sonia could come alone because she was a brave girl. अभी पैराग्राफ नंबर 5. Dr. Sharma cleaned the cavity with an air rotor. Then he filled with a white substance known as a light cut composite filling material. It contains synthetic resin, silica as filler and photoactivator, etc. Dr. Sharma, yes, it's done. Thank you for keeping your mouth open without speaking a word. As Sonia was the last patient that day, the doctor could spare time to talk her. अभी ये जो अभी पैराग्राफ पढ़ा उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर निकले हैं 2. हाउ शुड द गम लाइन्स बी ब्रश्ड? द गम लाइन्स शुड बी ब्रश्ड विथ जेंटल स्ट्रोक. हाउ ऑफन शुड यू क्लीन माउथ? We should clean our mouth after an ice cream, chocolate or every meal and every time we eat. We should eat our mouth after every meal and every time we eat an ice cream or chocolate. अभी पैराग्राफ नंबर 9. Dr. Sharma, cleaning of mouth is the first requirement of dental hygiene. If you don't clean your mouth, tiny bits of food inside stick and the surface of the teeth and in the space between your teeth. Now germs feed on these food particles that eventually eat up part of the teeth too. They destroy the enamel coating of the teeth and in the long run it leads to cavity. अभी उसमें क्वेश्चन 1. What is the first requirement of dental hygiene? Cleaning of mouth is the first requirement of dental hygiene. Question number 2. What do the germs feed on? The germs feed on the food particles stuck on the surface of the teeth and space between the teeth. वो जो जम्स है मुंह के अंदर, जो खाना खाते हैं और खाना खाने के बाद जो खुराक की कण रह जाती है, वो अगर आप ब्रश करके साफ नहीं करोगे तो उसके अंदर घुस जाते हैं और वो जो पार्टिकल है उसको खाते हैं और दांत को खराब करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What do the germs do? The germs destroy the enamel coating of the teeth and this leads a cavity. बाद में उसमें से दांत के अंदर खड्डा हो जाता है. नंबर 10. Sonia, enamel coating, what is that? Dr. Sharma, for that you need to understand the construction of our teeth. Our teeth have 3 layers. The uppermost white layer is called enamel. It is the hardest and strongest part of our body. The second layer is called dentin. It is slightly yellowish. The innermost layer is called dental pulp. In your molar, there was a cavity which now no more exists. अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर. What is enamel? The uppermost white layer of the teeth is called enamel. Question number 2. What is dentin? The second layer of the teeth, which is slightly yellowish, is called dentin. What is the dental pulp? The innermost layer of the teeth is called dental pulp. Question number 4. Which is the hardest and strongest part of our body? Enamel is the hardest and the strongest part of our body. अभी 11 नंबर का पैराग्राफ. Molar, what is it? Doctor, it is a kind of teeth. Look at the chart. There are 2 types of teeth. Deciduous teeth and also उसको deciduous भी बोलते हैं. Also known as a milk teeth and permanent teeth. Deciduous teeth are usually 20 in number and they shed one by one after growth. Thereafter, new permanent teeth come up. They are usually 32 in number. Question number 1. Name the 2 types of teeth. The 2 types of teeth are deciduous or milk teeth and permanent teeth. What is molar? Molar is a kind of teeth. देखो स्पेलिंग में गड़बड़ है, TWTH लिखा है, थोड़ा उसके अंदर छेक छाक किया है, थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. What do you know about deciduous teeth? Deciduous teeth are usually 20 in number and they shed one by one after growth. Question number 4. How many permanent teeth do we usually have? We usually have 32 permanent teeth. ये फिर से लेते हैं अपन. Which is the hardest and the strongest part of our body? Enamel is the hardest and strongest part of our body. Question number 11 paragraph का number 1. Name the 2 types of teeth. The 2 types of teeth are deciduous or milk teeth and permanent teeth. What is molar? Molar is a kind of teeth. What do you know about deciduous teeth? Deciduous teeth are usually 20 in number and they shed one by 1 after growth. How many permanent teeth do we usually have? We usually have 32 permanent teeth. In number. अभी 12 नंबर का पैराग्राफ. सोनिया, yes, I also have 32 teeth, but they all are not same. Dr. Sharma, they are different in shape, size and function. There are 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolar and 4 or 6 molar in our jaws. How many incisors and canines are there in our jaw? There are 4 incisors and 2 canines in our jaw, each jaw. How many premolars and molars are there in each jaw? There are 4 molar and premolar, 4 premolar and 4 or 6 molar in our jaw. 13 number paragraph. Sonia, Pooja, one of my classmates slipped off staircase and she has come fractured teeth. What should she do, Dr. Sharma? Well, she need to consult a dentist after examining her teeth. The dentist will suggest restoration of teeth with light curd composite filling material. Question number 1. How did Pooja break her teeth? Pooja slipped off the staircase and broke her teeth. Question number 2. Whom should Pooja consult? Pooja should consult a dentist. Question number 3. What will the dentist suggest to Pooja? The dentist will suggest restoration of teeth with a light curd composite filling material. Paragraph number 14. Sonia, okay, I have another friend named Dhara. She has an uneven growth of teeth. Her teeth are not probably grown. She feels very embarrassed at times. Any advice to her? Dr. Sharma says no one should feel embarrassed about physical deformity. Her problem is called crowding. Now there is a solution of this problem also. The patient has to go for an orthodontic treatment. The brace will bring her teeth in proper arrangement. Question number 1. Why does Dhara feel embarrassed? Dhara feel embarrassed because she has an uneven growth of teeth. वो शर्मा रही थी, उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, अपने आप को नर्वस महसूस कर रही थी. उसके दांत अनइवन थे, बराबर नहीं थे, टेढ़े मेढ़े थे, इसके लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अनइवन ग्रोथ ऑफ टीथ? Uneven growth of teeth can be corrected by the orthodontic treatment, in which braces are fixed on teeth to bring them in proper alignment. Question number 3. What is crowding? Uneven growth of teeth is called crowding. Paragraph number 15. Thank you very much for your valuable suggestion. Indeed, dental science has advanced a lot. I will ask her to consult an orthodontic नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग टू टेकिंग अप a project of dental health because we have to work on a project in science and I think this is a very useful topic. उसमें से एक क्वेश्चन बनता है, which project does Sonia want to take up? Sonia wants to take up a project on dental health. तो हमने यहाँ पैराग्राफ में से क्वेश्चन आंसर कैसे बनते हैं, उसके लिए पहली ज़रूरत होती है पैराग्राफ को ठीक से ध्यान से पढ़ने की, तो सवाल के आंसर मिल जाते हैं. बराबर. ओके, ये नोट में आप लिखना और 5 टाइम होमवर्क में भी लिखना. ओके, बाय, सी यू.